Let's talk about what is Maven tool. Maven is a build tool which is used for building and managing any Java-based project. Maven build tool is used for compiling, building, deploying, and running test code of any Java project. Maven build tool is used for compiling, building, deploying, and running test code of any Java project. The major advantage of Maven project is dependency management. This is the main concept where many people likes Maven tool. The dependency management tool, the dependency management is nothing but for a project, whatever the dependency libraries are there, whatever the dependency jar files are there, which you don't need to download them. Using this dependency management concept, you can able to download all the required jar files or upgrade all the existing jar files or delete all the existing jar files in a very easy manner. For example, if you create a Selenium Java project, for example, if you create a Java project for Selenium, in that case, you need to download the Selenium jars and add all these Selenium jars to your project build path. In future, if the Selenium version is changed, you have to delete the existing Selenium jars from your Eclipse and download the latest Selenium jars, add it to your build path. This is a very tedious process. Whenever the version of the libraries that you are using is changed, you have to delete the existing, download the new stuff, add it to the build path. In a project, not only Selenium, so you will be adding for TestNG, you will be adding for reading the data from Excel file, that is Apache libraries. So there are so many libraries you will be adding to your project. Whenever those versions are changed, you have to delete and download and add it to the build path. That is a very tedious process in the normal Java projects. When it comes to Maven, it becomes very easy. You don't need to download them separately. And upgrading to the latest version is very easy. And deleting the existing libraries or jar files is very easy. All you need to do is add a dependency tag to your Maven project. Add a Selenium dependency tag. Add a TestNG dependency tag. Add a Apache POI dependency tag. And change that versions to the latest one whenever the versions of that library changes. So we are going to talk about this dependency management concept in detail, in practically in the later sessions. But for now, what you need to remember is in Maven, dealing with the dependencies, dealing with the libraries is very easy. That's all you need to remember for now. And moreover, Eclipse IDE has inbuilt Maven software, so you don't need to separately download Maven software to your computer. That's all about Maven. In the next session, we'll be creating a Maven project. We'll be adding the required Selenium jars to our Maven project.